What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I'm gonna let you in on a little lesson that I learned that helped me make my first 7 figures. All right, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you already follow me. If you don't, subscribe, hit that bell alert button, do all that good stuff, and be sure that you're in my Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link right down below this video. Check it out, we definitely want you in the group. All right guys, I'm gonna get straight into it. I wanna tell you exactly what the lesson is that helped me get my first $1 million under my belt, and it's awesome. It's easy to apply, it's really practical, so let's get right to it. Okay, so this is kind of obvious, but I'm gonna explain it in detail so that you can really nail it and get it home inside your head once your business is up and running, so that you truly know where you need to be when you get there, okay? So here's the lesson. You cannot do it on your own. Simply put, nobody has ever done anything great or amazing or accomplished any massive goal by themselves. You can search far and wide and look at every single company, artist, high net worth individual, any mogul, anyone who's made lots and lots of money. They have not done it by themselves. Search all you want. Every single one of them, if you do the research, has not done it by themselves, but they've done it with other people around them, and specifically smarter people than them. The entire point here is that you are the visionary. You know what you want to accomplish. You have the big vision. It's that you need other people around you, a team, a collaboration, right? People to fill in the gaps to execute the vision. Now, there are things that you might be great at, like you might be amazing at sales. You might be the greatest salesperson on earth. That's awesome. But there's also things that you probably suck at. Like, let's just say that maybe you suck at fulfillment and delivery on your products or services. But guess what? Somebody else sucks at sales while you're amazing at sales, but that person is amazing at fulfillment and delivery of your products and services. I'll give you my own personal example. Like, I put out lots and lots of content, and I think I'm a pretty good content creator. I do a YouTube video every single weekday. I put out Facebook stories, Instagram reels, all that kind of stuff. But I'm not so great at editing and distributing that content. So I have a team member, somebody else that does that for me, and it makes everything come together. Now, using my example on the content aspect, right, which is just a fraction of what I do in my entire business, right? That being said, the whole operation cannot run if I don't have that person that's gonna edit and distribute the content. Because if you guys can't receive what I'm putting out there in the way that it needs to be received, then that's no good. So somebody has to fill that gap. Again, no one has done it by themselves. I'll give you 3 seconds. That's all you need. 3 seconds to identify areas that you cannot perform well in. 3 seconds, you'll know exactly what they are, because you already know subconsciously, I suck at this, this, and that. And right then and there, you'll know exactly who needs to come into your world, who needs to come onto your team, who needs to be in your ecosystem that can help fulfill on those aspects, that can bring the whole thing together and make it all work. If you really are after $1 million, if you want to go past 7 figures, you can't do it alone. I'm gonna give you a little bonus here. Alongside this lesson I learned to get past my first 7 figures is this other lesson. Stop using trial and error. It doesn't work. Get rid of it from your vocabulary. It's bad vernacular. It no longer exists. Just think about exactly what you're saying. Trial and error. Trying means that you're attempting something with the intention of basically not succeeding. Instead of using trial, you should change that out with the word intent. Right? This should be intent, and I'll tell you what's next. But you need to be intentional and not trying. Now, of course, the second word in that phrase is error, right? Meaning you're gonna try, no intention of success, and you're going to have an error, failure, basically. Let's swap that out with success. How about intent and success rather than trial and error? Intent and success sounds way better than trial and error, to me at least. But again, you're probably asking yourself, well, Ben, how can I go from trial and error, like that's all I keep doing, to intent and success? Well, that's exactly why you need guidance, mentorship. You need people in your corner that already know the things that you don't know, the blueprint, the map, right? To actually get to intent and success, not trial and error. You don't want to keep doing that over and over and over. You want intent, success, intent, success. That's how you make your first $1 million. When you do this, now when you actually implement this, don't BS me here. When you actually put this together, intent and success just becomes a world of success in business and in life. No more trial and error. You now have a roadmap, a blueprint, a pathway, an ecosystem that is successful because of it. You've been on that pathway of trial and error for way too long. I absolutely think it's time for you to make a change to intent and success. And I can 100% tell you fact for fact, this is the change that helped me get past my first 7 figures. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and join our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link right down below this video, and I will see you guys next time.